Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go. Why hello everybody and welcome back. And today we're going to be making an origami aeroplane. How cool is that? So first of all we're going to start off with our usual square. So as you can see, this is around about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the piece of paper in half, just like that. This is really simple, anybody can do this. Okay, so from here, I want a nice streamlined aeroplane so it cuts through the air. I'm going to bring that bottom side in, following the crease, push down nice and firmly, do exactly the same thing on the other side. Great job. Again, let's tidy it up. Push that down nice and firmly, like so. Okay, so now we have a kite shape. Since I want this a nice streamlined aeroplane, I'm going to bring it in one more time. Fold it into the middle, make a nice firm hold, and doing exactly the same thing on the other side. Okay, so from here, we fold it over. And then we're going to make a crease, so as you can see from this shape here, so it's like a dart. Just going to make an angle, just folding, and do exactly the same thing on the other side, matching your opposite fold, like so. So there we've got a very slimline aeroplane. So what you could do also is add a tail. So to add a tail, you can use one of our origami creases. So here I'm just going to fold the back part of the airplane up, like so, and now I'm going to tuck it underneath, just like that. So there we go, that's a very slimlined aeroplane, and you could try and fly that inside your house or maybe outside. Test it, see how far you can fly it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please feel free to subscribe. Have an awesome day.